Artificial intelligence is shaping the world around us, from self-driving cars to voice assistants like Siri and ChatGPT. But what exactly is AI? Why is it important? And how can you start learning AI? In this video, we'll break it all down for beginners. Let's dive in. AI is everywhere. It's revolutionizing industries, automating tasks, and enhancing human decision-making. Here are 3 key reasons why AI is crucial today. Efficiency and automation. AI reduces human effort by automating repetitive tasks. Example, AI chatbots, customer service automation. Data-driven decisions. AI analyzes massive datasets to find patterns and predict outcomes. Example, Netflix recommendations, stock market predictions. Innovation and creativity. AI is enabling creative solutions in healthcare, finance, education, and beyond. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It can be broadly categorized into 3 types. Narrow AI, weak AI, AI designed for specific tasks, e.g. Siri, Google Assistant. General AI, strong AI, AI with human-like cognitive abilities, not yet fully developed. Super AI, a futuristic AI that surpasses human intelligence. AI includes various subfields like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. AI is making a huge impact in various industries. Let's look at a few key sectors. Healthcare. AI detects diseases, assists in diagnosis, and powers robotic surgeries. Finance, fraud detection, stock market predictions, and AI-driven financial advisors. Retail and e-commerce, personalized recommendations, chatbots, and inventory management. Manufacturing, AI-driven automation and predictive maintenance in factories. Entertainment, AI-generated music, deepfake technology, and movie recommendations. From small startups to tech giants, everyone is investing in AI to stay ahead. If you want to start learning AI, here's a simple roadmap to follow. Step 1. Learn the basics. Understand Python programming. Learn basic statistics and probability. Step 2. Master data handling. Work with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Explore datasets and perform data analysis. Step 3. Learn machine learning. Start with supervised and unsupervised learning. Use libraries like scikit-learn. Step 4. Dive into deep learning and neural networks. Learn TensorFlow and PyTorch. Experiment with CNNs for image processing and RNLP. Step 5. Work on AI projects. Build an AI chatbot. Predict house prices using ML. Create a recommendation system. Step 6. Stay updated and contribute. Read AI research papers. Participate in Kaggle competition. Follow AI news and advancements. That's a beginner-friendly introduction to AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which AI topic you'd like to learn next. See you in the next session.